Good morning everyone, this is Neha again and we are going to practice day 2 of our Bakasana challenge, which is a series of 4 days. Alright, so I want to tell you only one thing before I start today, okay. Asana and the perfection. So perfection is nothing but when you keep improving, when you see that you're getting better day by day, that itself is a perfect asana. You don't really have to run behind like, okay, that person is doing amazingly good and the asana is supposed to be like that. Forget about all that. What you can do today is a perfect posture for yourself. So do not take a lot of stress about which you cannot do right now, because you can do only when you are consistent with your practice. So just forget everything and have a consistency in your practice. Be aware of what you're doing and just follow everyday routine, and that's all. Okay. So let's start. You will have to build up a little bit of a core strength for your practice. Okay, that is again one of the major important thing in Bakasana. So we're going to start with that now. So I have made it very easy for you to practice. Lying down on your floor. Okay, keep your back completely relaxed. Now lift your both the hands up straight towards the ceiling. Keep your hands straight. Now keep your spine relaxed. Here you're going to lift your knee from your hip. So you're going to push your hip up. You're going to give some a bit of a pressure for your hip to come up, and you're going to touch your knee to your arms and the elbow like this. 1 down. Don't drop your heel down. Just touch your toe. 2 down. 3 down. 4 down. Continue. 5 down. 6 down. To make it more challenging, don't drop your toe down at all, just hold here. 6 7 8 9. Now 10, you're gonna hold. Stay. 10 9 8, feel your stomach. 7 6 5, stay with me. 4, few more counts. 3, keep breathing in and breathing out. 2 1, relax. You can feel that your stomach is trying to talk to you, but that's okay, that's a good thing. Okay. Now lift your both the knee to the chest and keep pressing your knee to the chest. Hold your thighs behind the knee. Now lift your leg up. Keep pressing your knee to the chest. And now hold your toe. Let your knee beat towards your arms. Hold. 5 4 3 2 1. Relax. Now slowly come up. We're going to move towards our balancing. So that should be a fun part, because that really doesn't feel a lot, and if you're feeling a lot, then practice few more times and it will all be fine. Now we are going to continue with whatever we tried yesterday. If you remember, if you have seen day 1 video, we tried to place our knee to our arms, which will give you half of the feeling of Bakasana. This video is specially for the beginners. If you are very good in arm balancing, if you already know how to practice Bakasana, then you probably don't have to try all this. This is specially for the beginners. If you are really new, then practice this, it will be helpful. So now, if you remember, we tried something like this yesterday, correct? Now drop your left knee down. Okay, as I said yesterday, bend your right elbow a little, just to give a space on your arm to place your knee on it. Okay, bent, your knee is on your arm, if you see this. Now you're going to lift your knee up. You're going to slightly go forward, round your shoulder. Okay, don't keep your shoulders straight. And your spine also, when you practice Bakasana, it's slightly rounded, because you want that comfort zone for you to balance. You want your body to lift it up. So try to keep it always rounded, which is what we're going to practice right now. Okay, and focus on my back toe. Now 1, back. 2, going forward, back. 3, on my nail, literally on my toe, back. Forward, hold, you can feel your core, back. Last one, forward, 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 don't fall, just hold. 3 2 1, relax. That will give you extreme feel that how can you lift your body up and how do you feel when you do that. Okay, we are going to try the same thing on the other side. We are going to keep our left foot next to the left palm. Okay, this knee is here. Bend your elbow a little so that you get a space for your knee to be placed on the arm. It's all about slightly moving back and forward, slightly moving back and forward, that's all. Ready, up. Now from here, moving forward, 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back. Last one, you're going to hold. See my shoulders, my spine is rounded. I'm trying to move forward. Balancing on tip of the toe, you're going to hold. 3, 2, 1, back. That's a bit of tiring. I'm sure you'll also feel the same. Alright. So practice this. Take 10 seconds of break. Don't forget your wrist rotation because I'm sure you have worked on your wrist so far and already you will have a bit of stress. If not, then it's amazing. Okay. If you find any stress, just relax yourself quickly. Relax your shoulders also. Okay, now just we'll practice Malasana. Again, this is important. There are people who cannot do Malasana, then you have to work on it. Place any book or anything which is solid below your heels, which will help you to sit something like this. Okay, try to push your knee out. Sit in Malasana for 5 counts. Deep breathe in and deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Now from here, just place your hands forward. See, don't move your knee. Your knee is wherever it is. Just round your shoulder and place your hands. So you're going to keep your pelvic region, you're going to keep your thighs engaged. It's not like this. The moment I'm leaving my hands forward, I'm going to be relaxed. So if you're here, hold it, hold your knee back, place your hands down. You can round your shoulder but not the knee. Breathe in, breathe out, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Great. So I'm sure you have understood that what we are trying to do, we are just trying to gain a bit of balance on our arms, which is again most important in Bakasana. So try these things, and if you find it difficult anywhere, I try to give all the minimum as well as small details to this video. If you still find any difficulty, you can drop a message on Instagram, or you can drop a comment here. We'll definitely reply for that. And if you have watched this video and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel and also click a bell icon right next to it. And you can also follow me on Instagram with the idea of yoga for cure. Keep practicing. Have a safe practice.